Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. Today I want to show you how you can create a welcome badge, so when the player joins the game, he gets a reward for joining the game. So for the first thing, you have to go here on server script service and add here a script, which you can name it a welcome badge. So let's start scripting. You will also find the script into the description. Here for the moment will be 0 because later we'll have to go on a Roblox Creator page and create there a badge. So let's continue the script. So this one is the script. Now let's go back here and we have to go to game settings and publish the game. So let's name it welcome badge tutorial. Disable team create because we don't need it, and save it. Okay, now we are here at create.roblox.com and we have to go to our last game, which mine is welcome badge tutorial, the last game I published. And go here at manage experience, scroll down until you see engagement, and here a little bit down we'll see badge. So let's click on it and here let's create a badge. I will upload an image, exactly this one, change the name to it and create badge. Now, because we have it, we have to go to these three dots and click on copy asset ID. Now we are here back and let's go back to the script, and these zeros, paste over them the copy asset ID you have copied. So if we close this one and test the game, after 2 seconds you will see that the badge award, so everything works fine. Thanks everyone for watching the video until the end. Hope you guys enjoyed it and everything works perfectly for you. And don't forget to leave a subscribe and leave a like on the video because that would help me so much and I will really appreciate that. See you on the next video.